I need my morning coffee now. Branding is a key factor for producing successful pitch decks. And that's because branding is a tool you can leverage to set the mood and define the experience. I want to get an emotional reaction from potential investors and hopefully create an emotional connection. All this means that your prospects will be able to feel your pitch in addition to understanding it. Mood is important. Think about coffee. At 5 a.m., coffee is just energy. If you're anything like me, starting the day doesn't feel too great. I like energy. I'm grumpy. It's just terrible. I want to kill myself. And coffee feels just like that at that time of the day. Now it's 1 p.m. and I have a couple of meetings this afternoon, and I definitely need my midday coffee boost. So this time of the day, coffee gets me in the mood to be creative, to talk to people, to open myself to new experiences. And coffee feels exactly just like that. However, there is nothing different in the coffee. Coffee is just coffee at the end of the day. In these two situations, and I could exemplify more, coffee is just coffee. However, the mood is different, so the experience is different too. Factors like the time of the day, the lighting characteristics, the time that you have available to drink your coffee, amongst other stuff, will determine the experience. It's the mood that determines how coffee feels to you, so mood is very important. And the way to determine the mood in digital assets like pitch deck is by using your brand identity. The way that your brand looks, sounds, and ultimately feels will determine how your potential investors experience your pitch deck. Let's look at a digital example now. This is from Apple. This is the landing page for the new Mac Pro. And love them or hate them, I think Apple creates wonderful marketing assets. They're using specific type, negative space, photography, style, and words to define their message. So they're saying, powered to change everything. They're opening with a nice headline there. Doesn't mean anything, but it sets the mood. Powered to change everything. Say hello to a Mac that is extreme in every way, with the greatest performance, expansion, and configurability, yet it is a system created to let a wide range of professionals push the limits of what's possible. Damn. I took the liberty to reverse engineer this into the technically correct draft, which looks like this. White background, Comic Sans, unbranded copy. I wrote, the new Mac Pro offers the greatest performance, expansion capabilities, and configurability to date. We have created it this way to empower a wide range of professionals with cutting-edge technology. You can clearly see the difference. The branded version tells you the story in a way that you can feel beyond understanding. Apple's execution of their brand identity is the difference between a draft that is technically correct and a piece of media that will turn their readers into customers. And that's exactly what successful pitch decks do. They turn readers into investors. And they do that by informing, but perhaps most importantly, by exciting.